Hello friends, today we will learn how to find the square of numbers between 1 and 1000 in just 5 seconds using a short trick. आज हम 1 से लेकर 1000 तक की संख्याओं के वर्ग किस प्रकार ज्ञात किए जाते हैं उसके बारे में एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक सीखेंगे. Here are few examples. Square of 605 is equal to 366025. Square of 903 is equal to 815409. Square of 706 is equal to 498436. Similarly, we can find the square of any 3-digit number or any 2-digit number using this trick. Let us take example. We have to find the square of 903 using the short trick. First of all, we take the first digit 9. We will write the square of it, which is 81. Then we take the second digit 0. We will write the square of 0, which is 0, but we will write in 2 digits 00. Similarly, we will find the square of 3, which is 9. We will write it in 2 digits as 09. Now, we will multiply these numbers. 9 multiplied by 3, which is 27. We will double it, which is 54. We write it to the middle and add to the above number. So, we get 815409, which is the answer. Similarly, we can find the square of any 3-digit number using this trick. For example, if we want to find the square of 504, we will write the number here 504 square. Square of 504 is equal to, first of all, we will write the square of 5 here, which is 25. Square of 0, which is 0, but we write in 2 digits 00. Square of 4, which is 16, we write it here. Then we multiplied these 2 digits, 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. We will double it, which is 40. We add it to the middle part. Then we will get 254016, which is the answer. Similarly, we can find the square of any 2-digit number using this trick. Let us take example 84. We will write the square of 84 as, first of all, we will write the square of 8, which is 64, and square of 4, which is 16. Now we multiply both these numbers. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. We will double the 32, which is 64. We write it in the middle and we add these numbers. We will get the answer 7056, which is the square of 84. Similarly, we can find the square of 96 using this technique, which is a 2-digit number. Square of 96 is equal to, first of all, we will write the square of 9, which is 81, square of 6, which is 36. We multiply both these numbers. 9 6 is 54. We will double 54, which is 108. We will try to write in the middle, but 1 will be carried to next place. We add these numbers. We will get 9216, which is the answer, which is the square of 96. Similarly, we can find the square of any 3-digit number using this technique. Here we see that in these 3-digit numbers, middle part contains 0. This method is applicable to those numbers which contains 0 in the middle part. Now, what will be the method if there will be no 0 in the middle part? How to find the square of 3-digit number using this technique? Let us take another example. For example, the square of 412. This number contains 3 digits 4, 1 and 2. Here there is no 0 in the middle part. Now we can find the square of this number using this technique. First of all, we will write the square of 4, which is 16. We will write the square of 1, which is 1, but we will write it in 2 digits 0, 1. Square of 2, which is 4, but we will write in 2 digits 0, 4. Now we will multiply these two numbers 4 and 1. We get 4. We will double it, which is 8, but we will write it in the middle 0, 8 in 2 digits. Similarly, now we multiply these numbers 1 and 2, which is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. We will double it, 4. We will get 4. We will write it as 0, 4 for 2 digits. Now, next step is we will multiply these 2-digit numbers, these 2 digits 4 and 2. We will get 8. We will double it. We will get 16. We will write in the middle and add to the above number. We will get 169744. So we can find the square of any 3-digit number or any 2-digit number using this technique. For example, if there will be 0 in the middle, 302, square of this number, we have to find the square of this number. We can write it as 09, square of 0, 00, square of 2, which is 4, but we write in 2 digits 0, 4. Now we multiply these numbers. 3 multiplied by 0, 0. We will double 0, which is 0, 0 we here. Hence we can write it 0, 0. We will multiply these numbers. 0 multiplied by 2, we will double it, which is 0, 0, 0. And at last we will multiply these digits now. 3 and 2. 3 2 is 6. We will double it, which is 12. So on adding, we will get this. Therefore, square of 302 is equal to 91,204, which is the answer.